that all of you doing great. So this one is the mortgage snapshot of the Gohighlevel. So basically this template contains the entire websites, the entire funnels, the automation basically to run your entire mortgage business. So basically as if you are a Gohighlevel agency and you're trying to help the local sell the local mortgage business. So here is it done for you, websites and funnel and the automation which you're going to get. Please watch the video completely till the end, and of course you can get it without paying any single money. Basically you are going to get it in a way free, and I'm going to tell you how. Let me just quickly show you, walk you around, and then I'm going to tell you how do you get it, and then eventually we are going to individually see each of inside, right? The website, the automation, how does it actually work. So as you can see, this is one of the website, 4 page, 3 page, 3 page, this one is another, and this one last one is a 9-page website. And then there is just one funnel associated with it, because probably that is the only thing that is required with it. And if you try to see the automation, within the automation you have all possible permutation and combination that would require by each of the steps that the potential clients of those mortgage companies can take. For example, let's say there is like inbound DMs coming through the Instagram, Facebook and stuff, how to follow. This one contains the entire, this is a folder, it contains all of it. This one is like, let's say appointment has been confirmed, so that till the appointment happens the reminder keeps on sending, and then initial email and stuff. Somebody just canceled the appointment, what sequence of steps should be done, like free nurturing consultation call, and this one is the consultation call, refinance, right, consultation, no show rebooking, right, somebody just did not show up, booked appointment, did not show up, somebody just sent opt-out message that stop and please do not disturb, then what sort of sequence should happen. So all possible permutation and combination happens. So let us begin with the first website, how does this mortgage works. But before moving on, let me just quickly tell you how do you get this snapshot completely free. So all you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and there you have all the bonus sets available, which has not just this snapshot, like you will be getting 127 snapshot plus. All you have to do is just point them, like the first thing that you can do, either you sign up for the 30-day free trial of the Gohighlevel using our link. The button is there onto the respective website. I'll just pop it up onto the screen, abdullahzahid.com/snapshot, or you upgrade to the $297 plan, or the third option, upgrade to the $497 plan as the last one. So either of these three things, and we are going to take care of your entire bonus, 127 snapshot. But not just that, this is just one part of it, which is $14,000 plus our one-to-one personal support to set you up initially, and even the website if you wanted to develop, even the workflow, like personal assistance to do anything that you would want to get started, to kick started. And through the WhatsApp support, right, we add you in a WhatsApp group, me, you and my expert, and we ensure that the smoothest possible journey with your Gohighlevel kick starts. So again, the three options: sign up for the 30-day free trial, upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 from the website link given at the top. But right now, like let's say a lot of people are not in a position, they already signed up, they don't want to upgrade. Is there any option left for them to get this 127 snapshot? Yes. All you have to do is just like this one, anyone can do, not just a mortgage, any of the snapshot. Just use our code AI bonuses into the AI employee, and by the way, it doesn't cost you anything. Everything remains same for you, like it just benefits us. So you just go to the agency settings. I mean, where do you put the code? Let me just tell you. Agency settings, click on AI employee, click on manage offer, and here all you have to do within the FP reference, just put AI BONUSES and click on apply. The moment that you click on apply, that's it. Like, we are going to take care of the entire bonus. Just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com just to quicken up the process. We'll send you the entire 127 snapshot as promised, and of course it will include the mortgage snapshot. And I'm there on the email and the WhatsApp for any queries that you guys might face. And even I've created a quick promotional video for this, so that before we begin discussing individual websites inside of the mortgage, like let's just quickly watch the promotional video for this. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan, super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahi.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahi.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month, I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also, I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Now you have watched the video, let us just begin. The first one is the mortgage broker. There's a 4-page website, so let me just open it. There's a homepage, about section. So what all you have? Homepage, about section, services, and contact. Right at the homepage itself, you have a basic set of things. So I mean, you wanted to update your logo, you can just update. Like, of course, you are going to open in an editor window so that you can update the logo. And you wanted to edit some of the text, you can put some of the text, the other things that you are offering, but the basic template is there. Right, about our company, you need to put the details as per you want. Buying a home, today's rate, diverse loan. So all these are the technical terms and the terminologies of the mortgage, and getting started 100%. So all these, this looks like a professional outlook, and this one is depicting your results and number of customers that are happy with you. So you can edit the data based on this. One is the testimonial, get a free constant consultation. This is a form that they are going to fill, which is going to create a contact for you. And the sequence, as I said, like consultation form, when it will be filled, within the automation, some trigger is already there, like with a reminder or the date that they have selected through the calendar. So this is the about section. This is the services that you're offering. So each of the things, the template is there. All you have to do is just a little bit of editing here and there, and you're good to go. So similarly, the other pages of the website. So let us just try to open the second website. Let's say this is just a simple 3-page website. How does the home page look like? And the second page is the appointment page. So again, as you can see, this the logo place is empty there. You just put your logo in here. Make your home mortgage affordable again, thanks to our lower rate refinancing. Today's mortgage, this one. Get in touch with us, make an appointment, how to get approved, your company money loans, what customers say about our team, right? All these things you can just update as per your own needs, as per your own requirements. And this is the appointment page, and of course the calendar is connected with it. And let's say like you like it, you can use it. You wanted to use more of it, like let's say let us jump onto this one, assistant and lenders. Of course, like there are each of it has a unique proposition. Like whichever that you like, you can use the template. This is buy a home with confidence. We have this is what we have to offer you. We are fully dedicated to support you. We nearly have been trying to. Do you have queries? Please go through the frequently our team XYZ, right? Testimonials. So all these things are super amazing. Similarly, like you can walk through like I'm not walking through each of them. The last one is the 9-page website. Like all possible things that you would be requiring is there. In fact, like all possible pages, this website. About us, loan program, frequently asked question, privacy policy, accessibility, licensing, survey, our team. Amazing, right? You can copy some of the page and paste it onto the other website if you want like the cocktail of different pages. So now let us just jump onto the automation part just to show you how does this automation works. Within the automation, as you can see, this one is the SAAS folder, all the inbound lead nurturing. Somebody messaging through the chat widget, somebody messaging through the Facebook Messenger, Google My Business, Instagram DM, missed call text back, tap to text, web form, Zapier, any of the platform, and the workflow is already there. Let us just try to see one of them, right? So let's say this one, Instagram DM. Somebody just DM through the Instagram. What sort of sequence of events are going to happen? There you go. Customer reply through the Instagram. This is the trigger, and here you add the contact, and then if the customer did not give the phone number, as you can see, wait 20 pitch and get a phone number, then of course you can't message. So it is in DND, but if he gives the phone number, then you create this one like a weekend opt-in message, weekday opt-in message. So all the nurturing part happens. Like if it is a weekday, it'll check like if and else condition. Now if you wanted to check the exactly how does nurturing happens, you can even click on workflow and click on describe workflow. This is the workflow AI feature of the Gohighlevel, which is going to help you understand the sequence of events that is happening in the simple text form. So each of the step is given. For example, the first one, the workflow starts when a customer replies through your Instagram DM. Then the contact is tagged as Instagram. Wait for 24 hours. Now, if they have provided phone number and opportunity is created, if no, then the do not disturb is marked. So as you can see, super amazing, right? So you don't have to use your brain to analyze what all steps are there. This description will be enough for you to get it. So similarly, like all the other possible methods of the DMing that you get, the chat widget, Facebook Messenger, right? Now, let's say somebody just booked the appointment. Then what sort of sequence of events happen? And then last one, we're going to see the nurturing, lead nurturing. So this one is simple. Like if somebody makes the appointment, right? The appointment trigger is there. Then remove from every other workflow. Then there is an internal email that is being sent. What is the internal email? Because after an appointment, internal email to the respective mortgage team should also be sent, right? Somebody just booked the appointment, that your lead has, this contact has booked the appointment, this is the start date and this is the start time, right? And an opportunity is created within the pipeline. This opportunity is created, and opportunity value you can just put as you need. Then the confirmation, I just saved the time for you, and we'll call you if anything changes. Just let me know. Wait until 2 days reminder, right? Hey, this is a reminder that I have you confirm with us. If you need to reschedule, please let me know, otherwise we'll talk. In 24 hours reminder, wait until 1 hour. So basically 24 hours back, 2 days back, then 1 hour before, each of the reminder is being sent to the respective client so that they do not miss out on the booking. And imagine like thousands and thousands of appointments being booked. Each of them is automatically handled till like the customer shows up. It is going to improve the show up rate as super amazing because of the reminder, and in a professional way it is being handled. And similarly, like somebody just cancels the appointment, the sequence of events are going to happen. And then this one is like the lead nurturing. Let's say this one. Let us just open this one last. To all permutation and combination possibilities, workflow is previously defined itself. So as you can see, how the nurturing happens. If it is weekday or weekend, this is also being checked like onto the weekday, in the follow-up message, then SMS, and then XYZ next day follow-up. What kind of follow-up are we talking about, right? Let us just check the example of it. Looking forward to connecting. Have you had a chance to look at your schedule, right? So this is like the, I mean, because they did certain things, but they did not book the appointment yet. So this follow-up keeps on happening. Next day follow-up, right? And then the loop is repeated. So it is built very smartly. Are you still interested in taking advantage of these? So instead of like, I mean, the follow-up is really necessary because a lot of people among these like forget because life just happened. They did not, they thought about it. They were not able to do it. So this reminder is going to convert a lot of maybe people into a consultation call, which is going to be good for your business. So all in all, guys, like all permutation and combination is there, and it is enough to run your mortgage. So if you are really interested in the mortgage, definitely you should get this snapshot. And as I told you, abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. That is where either you sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 plan or upgrade to the $497 plan. It is going to help us, and we will be thankful for you. And if you got the value out of it, and last but not the least, because with these things you will even get one-to-one personal support, but with the AI employee, as I said, this is a new thing that I've introduced within the agency setting. Within the AI employee, you just put our code AI bonuses, and that is enough for us to send you the entire 127 snapshot, including this one, which is super amazing. As well as like in the future, if you find AI employee client, the first onboarding will be on us. Wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye bye.